like a dream when we both get together and free. Yeah, my mind is screaming now and never retreat. Here is the thing I knew right from the start. Yeah, you are the best part of my red heart. You are the best part.
I've got a feeling this is the night. The stars are aligned, troubles all out of sight. In the flashing lights, we are born. We move to a higher plane where no one's been before. Let the rhythm flow all night. We dance until the morning light. We can keep it on forevermore. When you move to the rhythm, I can feel the heat. When we move to the rhythm, we can't be beat. Our place, our time is here and now. Don't you worry about tomorrow. This is really it, you know. It's a universe left to explore. We can go higher than we've ever been before. When you move to the rhythm, I can feel the heat. When we move to the rhythm, we can't be beat. When you move to the rhythm, I can feel the heat. When we move to the rhythm, we can't be beat. Let the rhythm flow all night. We dance until the morning light. We can keep it on forevermore. When you move to the rhythm, I can feel the heat. When we move to the rhythm, we can't be beat. When you move to the rhythm, I can feel the heat. When we move to the rhythm, we can't be beat. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you've
Better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step